Hey, what's going on guys? Long time no see. So in today's video we are going to take a look at what appears to be a brand new phenomenon, a brand new development with Quansheng UV-K5. There has been a video showing Quansheng UV-K6 right here actually detecting drones at 5 GHz and 6 GHz, and that is interesting because our radios do not work at those frequencies. So we are going to explore today what's happening here. So here is the original video. Let's watch it together. This appears to be taking place at some Chinese electronics show at lot number F13310. So that was the video, and extracted image from this video is right here. As we can see, there is a part number A15100, and there is a serial number 016316. So this thing is serialized, and the firmware version is 104, and the name is HEIMDALL. Well, it's Chinese but in English it's HEIMDALL. That's why it's hard to pronounce. And to further complicate things, someone on Instagram actually released this video and titled his post with lower frequency 18 MHz, so it's 18 MHz up to 6 GHz. Original video did not say anything about the bottom frequency. The original video had this text written in Chinese, so what I did is I printed the screen, I pasted it into Windows Copilot, and AI extracted me the string in Chinese. I pasted into search engine, and well, you know, we got ourselves a product page for this brand new device. But before we proceed, it's time for some shameless self-promotion. On my YouTube channel, if you click more links, you're going to get a whole bunch of more links. Click here, you can donate with a credit card or a debit card via PayPal. No PayPal account is necessary. Just click this link, donate via PayPal. Or if you have a PayPal account, you can send me money via PayPal. Or if you have Venmo account, you can send me money via Venmo. Or if you have Apple Cash, Sberbank, for those of you who are in Russia, or via crypto, click this link. Also, I'm present on Facebook. Add me on Facebook, on Instagram, and don't forget about Telegram. Those of you that are using Telegram, add my channel on Telegram at t.me/Kadernov_official. Also, don't forget my personal account where I have a whole bunch of stories. And if you want your electronics repaired or your radios modified, you can do so via mail-in. Just contact me. I'm located in Miami, Florida. So let's read the description. The price is 2,952 yuan. I did the conversion. It's $414, which is not a lot of money, guys, because there is a drone warfare basically, and this thing possibly can save your life. You know, it can alert you that there is a drone in the area and maybe give you some time to hide or to shoot it down. Single antenna, dual antenna drone handheld detector, can detect in the 300 MHz up to 6 GHz frequency band, accurately detect the signal source, drone position, walkie-talkie detector, portable detection. Brand new, fully functional, not used. Let's look at pictures. So it's a dual antenna, right? Yeah, you see, right there is a second antenna, it appears to be. Yeah guys, this hole right here is definitely a second antenna, because on my radio Quansheng UV-K5. Basically the hole for the flashlight looks different, and that right there is a connector. Let's look at another picture. So from the ass it looks like this. It looks actually different. It has a Baofeng battery, and on top it has some screws inside the box. It comes with one antenna, charger, but possibly it comes with two antennas, and one antenna is just in the box. We do not know. Did you notice it? I noticed it only now. I skipped it the first time around. Check this out. You see something? The buttons are different. Our buttons are, you see, you got a PTT and you got two function buttons at the bottom, right? And this thing right here is not a Quansheng anymore. It has a red button on top, and possibly a button over here, possibly this also button, but we do not know. Also on another picture it shows the same thing right here. Yeah, button here, and button here. So it's not our Quansheng anymore. Obviously it's not a Quansheng on the inside to be able to receive from 300 MHz up to 6 GHz. This device is sold by Linchings in different flowers and fruits. That's the name of the store. But keep in mind, this translated version of Chinese into English, sometimes when you translate Chinese into English it sounds like this. So in Chinese most likely it sounds cooler, so don't pay attention to this. The seller is located in Dongguan, that's the name of the city, and his other products are the following. He sells drone related equipment, basically. This thing right here, these things, right, these pigtails and stuff. So it's a high-tech shop that sells high-tech things. So this radio is real. You can purchase it from China. I don't believe it's found on AliExpress. It has a description of the shop right here. It says communication antenna manufacturer, so they manufacture their antennas, integrity management service, first win-win cooperation. And let's get this image of the avatar guy sitting. I mean, this could be AI, right? Well, this is not important. He has 20 followers and 99 fans. Jiangsu province. So there is just one more thing to address, and that is a small battery pack that comes with our radios. This small battery pack is going to last you for how long? For RX? Perhaps a day, right? If you like it. end at the front lines where you're going to use a drone detector, right? I'm assuming it's used for front lines. There is no USB charging, there is no electricity. You are not going to run into a house, right, and plug it in and charge it. I mean, I've watched interview of POW Azov mobilized man that gave up. That's just fuck it, I don't want to fight, right? Gave up to Russian side, and he said he was on the front lines for 100 days. So how you going to detect drones past 1 day if you are on the front lines for 100 days? Remember this thing, I did a video on this a while back. This is a battery pack for 21,700 elements. Basically everyone laughed at this back then, but this is more reliable for that kind of thing, for that drone detector, right? Because this thing is really going to last you maybe for a week, maybe more. And you take a couple of this with you, and if drone, and also the supply drone, brings you one of these packs, this is going to last you a long time. So just an idea. Okay guys, this is it for this video, and just a reminder, if you have something broken, if you need any electronics repaired, let's say you need a laptop repaired, right, just contact me. You mail it in to Miami, Florida, my address. I repair it. I give you the price quote beforehand, so there is no surprises. Contact me. If you need a radio repaired, same thing, you just mail it in here to Miami, Florida, to my address, and I'll take care of it. Alright guys, see you later.